Welcome to our next lesson, Tumun Pratyaya. We have seen Tva Pratyaya in the previous lesson. Now the next one, Tumun. Tumun also a simple Pratyaya. Let me introduce some words with the Muladhatu and Tumun Pratyaya. Pat, Pathitum, to study. Lik, Likhitum, to write. Dhav, dhavitum, to run. Pat, patitum, to fall. Has, hasitum, to laugh. Khel, khelitum, to play. Creed, creeditum, to play. Raksh, rakshitum, to protect. Khan, khanitum, to dig. Bhu, bhavitum, to become. Jna, jnatum, to know. Da, datum, to give. Arch, architum, to worship. Kshalai, kshalayitum, to wash. Save, sevitum, to serve. Ram, ramitum, to enjoy. Yat, yatitum, to try, to attempt. Bhram, bhramitum, to roam. Kindly read this page once again. Let us move to the next page. Pa, patum, to drink. Nam, nantum, to bow. Stha, sthatum, to stay. Gam, gantum, to go. Smru, smartum, to remember. Ji, jetum, to win. Ni, netum, to lead. Lab, labdhum, to get. Pach, paktum, to cook. Han, hantum, to kill. Chint, chintitum, to think. Kat, kathitum, to say. Tyaj, tyaktum, to leave. Gan, ganitum, to count. Chal, chalitum, to walk. Bhaksh, bhakshitum, to eat. Puj, pujitum, to worship. Rach, rachitum, to create. Iksh, ikshitum, to see. Hr, hartum, to steal. Let's move on to the next page. Let us see some examples before going to the sentences. What is the purpose of Tumun Pratyaya in a sentence? Tumun is a simple one. Let us see some examples. Ramaha mandiram gacchati, Ramaha devam namati. Ram goes to temple, Ram bows to God. Ram goes to temple and he bows to God. There are two sentences here. We can make it to one with the help of Tumun Pratyaya. Ram goes to temple for what? To bow to the God. That becomes reason to go to the temple. The reason can be used with Tumun Pratyaya. Namati is the work there. We can add Tumun Pratyaya with Nam Dhatu. Nam plus Tumun becomes Nantum. Let us see these two sentences in single sentence. Ramaha devam nantum mandiram gacchati. There were two sentences. Now it is only one sentence. Ramaha devam nantum mandiram gacchati. Ram goes to temple to bow to God. Nantum, to bow. Balakaha udyanam gacchanti, te tatra kridanti. Children go to garden, they play there. There are two sentences here. We can make it to one. Balakaha kriditum udyanam gacchanti. What is the purpose of going to the garden? To play. So Tumun Pratyaya help us to make it one sentence instead of two sentences. Balakaha kriditum udyanam gacchanti. Boys go to garden to play. Let us move on to next page. Janaha bhojanalayam gacchanti. Te bhojanam khadanti. People go to hotel. They eat food. Now the purpose of going to hotel is to eat food. So eating food can be used with Tumun Pratyaya. Let us revise the sentence now with the support of Tumun Pratyaya. जनाः भोजनं खादितुं भोजनालयं गच्छन्ति. People go to hotel to eat food. ललना कूपं गच्छति. सा जलम् आनयति. A lady goes to the well. She brings water. The purpose is bringing water. So bringing can be used with tumun pratyaya. It becomes one single sentence. Lalana jalamanetum kupam gacchati. A lady goes to the well to bring water. Khaditum to eat. Anetum to bring. Let's go to the next page to see some more sentences. Chhatra kavitam likhitum kalamam aanayati. A girl student brings a pen to write a poem. Likhitum, to write. Balakaha chalitum samudratatam gacchanti. Boys go to beach to walk. That is for walking. Chalitum, to walk or for walking. Vayam bhramitum sayankale upavanam gacchamaha. We go to garden in the evening for roaming. Bhramitum, for roaming. Sainikaha desham rakshitum Seemam gachanti. Soldiers go to border to protect the country. Rakshitum, to protect. Yuyam phalarasam patum ichchata. You all want to drink fruit juice. Patum, to drink. Let me read the Tumun Pratyanta in this page. Likhitum, to write. Chalitum, to walk. Bhramitum, for roaming. Rakshitum, to protect. Patum, to drink. Let's move on to the next page. Aham mama mitraya sahayam datum ichchami. I want to give help to my friend. Datum, to give. Mama mata marge padabhyam chalitum vanchati. My mother wants to go by foot on the way. Chalitum, to go, to walk. Tvam bhumim khanitum kshetram gacchasi. You go to the field to dig the earth. Khanitum, to dig. Yuyam bhojanam khaditum hotel prati gachatha. You all go towards hotel to eat food. Khaditum, to eat. Vayam devam architum mandiram gacchamaha. Architum, to worship. Let us move on to next page. Taha balikaha jalam anetum kupam gacchanti. Those girls go to the well to bring water. Anetum, to bring. Vayam sayankale khelitum udyanam gacchamaha. We go to the garden to play in the evening. Khelitum, to play. In the previous sentence, anetum, to bring. Janaha snanam kartum samudram gacchanti. People go to sea to take bath. Kartum, to do, to take. Balikaha phalarasam patum icchanti. Girls want to drink fruit juice. Patum, to drink. Anetum, to bring. Khelitum, to play. Kartum, to do or to take. Patum, to drink. Let's move on to the next page. Bhaktaha devalaye devam nantum vanchanti. Devotees want to bow to God in temple. Nantum, to bow. Saha bhikshukaya bhojanam datum ichchati. He wants to give food to a beggar. Datum, to give. Aham samskritam patitum vidyalayam gacchami. I go to school to learn Sanskrit. Patitum, to learn. Vayam alpaharam khaditum bhojanalayam agacchamaha. We come to hotel to eat tiffin. Khaditum, to eat. Let us revise the Tumun Pratyaya words in this page. Nantum, to bow. Datum, to give. Patitum, to learn. Khaditum, to eat. Let us go to the next page. Aham gantum ichchami. I want to go. Chhatraha uttaram vaktum hastam upari karoti. Student raises his hand to say answer. Vaktum, to say. Gantum, to go. Chhatraha prashnam prashtum shikshakasya griham gacchati. A student goes to teacher's house to ask a question. Prashtum, to ask. Janaha natakam drashtum natyagriham gacchanti. People go to the theatre to see the drama. Drashtum, to see, to watch. Sainikaha yuddham kartum icchanti. Soldiers wish to do war. Kartum, to do. Let me read the Tumun Pratyaya words from this page. Gantum, to go. Vaktum, to say. Prashtum, to question. Drashtum, to see. Kartum, to do. Let's move on to the next page. Dhanikaha yachakebhyaha dhanam datum mandiram gacchati. A rich man goes to temple to give money to the beggars. Datum, to give. Praninaha jalam patum jalashayam gacchanti. Living beings go to pool to drink water. Patum, to drink. Bidalaha mushakan khaditum bilasya samipam gacchati. A cat goes near the hole to eat rats. Khaditum, to eat. Shrigalaha bhojanam praptum bhramati. A jackal roams around to get food. Praptum, to get. Adyatu aham tartum ichchami. Today I wish to swim. Tartum, to swim. Datum, to give. Patum, to drink. Khaditum, to eat. Praptum, to get. Tartum, to swim. Let's move to the next page. Avam prashnam prashtum shikshakasya samipam gacchavaha. We both go near the teacher to ask questions. Prashtum, to ask. Janaha upavanasya shobham drashtum agachanti. People come to see the beauty of the garden. Drashtum, to see. Kripanaha dhanam labdhum sangraham karoti. Miser collects to get money. Labdhum, to get. Ramaha grihakaryam kartum gacchati. Ram goes to do his homework. Shikshakaha pustakam kretum apanam gacchati. Teacher goes to a shop to buy a book. Kretum, to buy. Prashtum, to ask. Drashtum, to see. Labdhum, to get. Kartum, to do. Kretum, to buy. Let us move on to the next slide. Let us understand what we have understood in Tva and Tumun Pratyaya. Tva Pratyaha and Tumun Pratyaha both can be used for all the roots in Sanskrit. They are very simple to use. Tva denotes that a person has just completed a work and doing another work. Tumun denotes the purpose of the action which is currently being done. Thank you, my dear students. Hope you have understood. Kindly go through the videos once again. We will meet in the next lesson shortly. Dhanyavadah.